To begin, I just added a video clip to my timeline to work with. Click anywhere inside the timeline panel or program panel. Now all you have to do to speed up the video is press the L key twice to speed up your video even faster. Continue pressing the L key. You can also slow the video down by pressing the J key to bring your video back to regular speed. Just pause it by using the space bar and then press it again to resume playback normally. Keep in mind that you can also speed up the video and the source preview pane by using the same keys. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.